Hello students, now I am going to continue the chapter Similarity of 10th standard. Practice set 1.4, question number 1. Question number 2nd and 3rd we already solved. So I am going to solve the question number 1 from practice set 1.4. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. So here we are given that is the two triangles are similar, because the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles we are given. So we consider that there are two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and we are given that they are similar. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So the reason is given, and by the theorem of area of similar triangles we know that the ratio of area of similar triangles is equals to the ratio of squares of their sides. So AB square upon PQ square, here we write it. And now in example we are given that is the ratio of corresponding sides is equals to 3:5. So we have to just put down the value of the sides. The side is first triangle is 3 and the second one is the 5. So 3 square upon 5 square, and so the answer is 9 upon 25. Next, the question number 4. Triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR, and we are given that is 9 into area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 into area of triangle LMN. If QR is equals to 20, then find MN. Again we are given that is the triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. So this is given, and another thing we are given in the example, that is these two ratios means 9 into area of triangle PQR is equals to the 16 into area of triangle LMN. This is also given. Just we put this element onto this side, and we move this triangle area of triangle PQR to this one. So we get here area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR. So I write here, and we're going to move this 16 to this side. So 9 upon 16. So here we get this ratio. Now since the triangles are similar, the ratio of area of these two triangles, similar triangles, is equals to the ratio of squares of their sides. So MN square, since in our example we are given the QR, so here QR, so MN, we take the MN upon QR, that is MN square upon QR square by the theorem of area of similar triangles. Now just we are going to put down the value, that is we know that is the area, the ratio of area of these two triangles is 9 upon 16. So we write here 9 upon 16. The reason is from second and third. Now we have to find out the MN. So again the QR is given in our example, that is 20. So we put down the value of QR here. So first, before that, we are going to find the square root of this both the sides. So taking the square root, so we get MN upon QR is equals to 3 upon 4. So taking the square root of both sides, and now we are going to put down the value of QR. Here we can't put because there is a QR square plus. So first we find the value of QR. So QR is 20, and then taking the cross multiplication we get the value of MN, that is 20 into 3 upon 4. So 4 5s are 20 and 5 3s are 15. So this is the answer. Now see the question number 5. So the area of two similar triangles are 225 centimeter square and 81 centimeter square. So we are given the area of two triangles. The area of the first triangle is 225 and the second triangle is 81 centimeter square. If a side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding side of bigger triangle. Now see, in this example there are two triangles, one is bigger and one is smaller. So we consider that is the smaller triangle is triangle PQR and the bigger triangle is triangle ABC. And we already given that is the two triangles are similar. So our first statement is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. The reason is given. Now we are going to write the ratio of area of these two triangles. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So by the theorem of area of similar triangles, The ratio of area of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of square of their sides. So we write here AB square upon PQ square. The ratio of first triangle we are given, that is 2 to 5. So bigger triangle, and the smaller triangle's area is 81. So 2 to 5 upon 81 is equals to AB square upon PQ square. Now we are going to take the square root of both sides. So we will get AB upon PQ is equals to 15 upon 9. Now the side of the smaller triangle we are given, and we have to find out the corresponding side of the bigger triangle. So from these two, this one is the bigger triangle and this one is the smaller triangle. The side of the smaller triangle we are given, that is 12. So we put the value of PQ as a 12. Now taking the cross, that is 12 into 15 upon 9. So we can find the value of AB, that is 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. And by solving this we get AB is equals to 20. Next, question number 6. That is triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles, and if area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is equals to 1:2, means we are given the ratio of area of these two triangle is 1:2. Again the AB is 4 and we have to find out DE. The same example that of the fifth example. So our first statement, so in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF, in this example, see, we don't have given that is these two triangles are similar. So first we have to prove that they both are similar. Actually the equilateral triangles are similar. So first we have to find out the similarity of both these triangles. So in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF, since both are equilateral triangle, each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So I write here that is angle A, B, C, D, E, F, all angles are of 60 degree, since they are the angles of the equilateral triangle. And so in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is congruent with angle D, then angle B is congruent with angle E. Since we solve it in the statement number 1, it's not from 2, it's from 1. And so both the triangles are similar by AA test. Here two angles we show that is they are congruent, and so both the triangles are similar. Now since the triangles are similar, the ratio of area of these two triangles is equals to the ratio of squares of their sides by the theorem of area of similar triangles. So we are going to put down the value, that is we are given the ratio is 1:2. So 1/2 is equals to, again we are given the AB, that is 4. So 4 square upon DE square. So DE square is equals to 2 into 4 square. 4 square is 16. Or we can take the square root of both sides. So DE is equals to the square root of 2 is √2 and the square root of 4 square is 4. And so my answer is DE is equals to 4√2. The reason is taking the square root of both sides. Question number 7 from this exercise is related to the activity, so you can easily solve it. So this is the end of the chapter similarity, and next chapter we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.